Hey guys, this is Glenn Hughes, and I just wanted to tell you that I got my ANYVOO backdrop yesterday, and I set it up with no problems thanks to Lance's instructional video, which probably wasn't even needed because it's pretty simple. But I really love it a lot. I really like it. I'm very excited. The color's great on it, easy to set up, just looks really pretty. And I'm going to be using this for my own business, Googie Modern at googiemodern.com, and it kind of matches my website, which is why it has this pattern on it. But just wanted to reach out to you. Thank you so much for sending me the video of the girls sewing it. That was so fun. I really like what you're doing, really pulling for you, and I'll try to put a review up on YouTube when I get a chance for it. But next I'm going to try the green screen and see how that works. Haven't tried it yet. Okay, and now here's the green screen, which is on the flip side of the ANYVOO backdrop. We'll see how easy it is to pull a key on this. I'm just using natural light sitting in front of a window in my living room. No additional lighting, no additional effects. Pull a screen. How does that look? Love the ANYVOO. Just wanted to send you a thank you video. And for anybody else out there considering possibly getting one of these, I say don't hesitate. Get it now. Thanks a lot.